beginning. So, and then you have to add an in-app billing API to your application from the developer's console, and then you have to create billable items for your application. But this will come in a moment. So, as a developer, already created an application. If you remember, it was called Mighty Heroes, and it was a free one. And I want to actually make some monetization of my effort. So I will integrate the in-app billing API from Mtel developer in my application. And I'll show you in a moment how to do this. So a little bit about the terminology. So we define billable items. So what is actually a billable item? Every item has a name, short description, and price. So let's say that my application, Mighty Heroes, is a game. It is a game, actually, I can assure you. So it is a game, and I want to add some additional item, which is very, very special, which is very, very hard to find in the game. And for this item, the end user should pay. So I'll create an item. Let's name it Mighty Weapon. And with this item, Mighty Weapon, the user will actually increase his or her attack skills up to 10%. And this item will cost only 0.60 level, including VAT. So I'll define this item in the console, and I'll define the name, the short description, and the price. But a little bit later. So right now, I'll present you the syntax. There are only 3 main operations which you are going to use when you implement the in-app billing API. Again, our core idea is to make the platform simple to use. So we have thought very well how to make this API simple but yet reliable for you. And we defined only 3 transactions. The first one, which is the most interesting one, is the charge transaction. The second one is get transaction status, and the last one is get transaction list. So for the first transaction, maybe this sounds a little bit familiar. This is what my colleague Gelasco told you a bit earlier. We follow the same syntax. Yes, it's true. Every API is following the same syntax, and you can see it also in the in-app billing API. So here is the name of the operation, charge. Here is the operation with the operation body. As you heard earlier, it's JSON encoded.